it's Rebecca from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. Now, today we are not in our regular studio setting. We're actually out on a job site in Smithson Valley, Texas, and we're going to go back and check out what's going on. This is actually a project that we're turning a group of windows into a huge sliding glass patio door. So we're going to talk with the project manager, Malcolm, and ask him all about what's this project about, what type of doors we're installing, how much it costs, and so much more. So let's go. All right, so we're back here at the job site with Malcolm, who's the project manager from Southwest Exteriors. So Malcolm, can you tell us a little bit about this project and what we've got going on back here?
So basically, as you see behind me, we're replacing 4 windows and we're installing a 14-foot sliding door.
What kind of sliding door is it? Marvin. Awesome. So they're taking all their windows and they're really opening it up. What are some benefits of adding a sliding glass door in place of windows?
It's the customer's preference. You know, they don't want windows there anymore. They want a sliding door.
Right, just to be able to see all the way out their patio.
It's kind of a way to get out of your house. You know, it brings the light in, looks better, more aesthetically pleasing to the eye from the outside and the inside, I think.
What are some challenges you guys have run into with this project in particular?
Some challenges would be probably replacing the windows that we're pulling out. They wanted to keep them for a house that they're doing, the 1920s ranch house. So we couldn't collapse the frames like we usually do. So it would be, you know, demoing those windows without, you know, breaking them so they could be reusable for the client. So just, you know, taking our time a little bit more and being careful. Another challenge I would say when we have something big like this would be dust control. So we have Jake and Henry that come here before the installers, and they prep everything with plastic. As you can see, they got it all just to protect the rest of their house from getting dusted. On this particular one, underneath the windows, they had a knee wall. So on the outside, it was about 2 to 3 feet of stone. And they took all that 2 to 3 feet of stone across the whole 14-foot span, cut a sharp line on one side and chiseled out the other side out.
So what you're saying, doing a project where you're taking a bunch of windows and turning it into a sliding door, is it an easy project? Is it difficult? Or is it really just case by case?
I would say it's kind of a case-by-case thing, because what makes this one a little easy, they already have a header that we can work off of. Sometimes if we're replacing individual windows with a big door, sliding door, there'll be individual headers. So that calls for some more structural framing work. In this case, we don't have to install a header, it's already there. In other cases, we would have to remove that framing and install a header, and that's a little bit more work.
Right. What are you most excited about to see the final product of this project?
Probably the finish out, because that's when it all starts coming to life. You see how the exterior trim's going to finish and the interior trim's going to finish. And that's kind of, you know, your finishing product. That's probably the, you know, the most gratifying part of the whole process. So definitely the end.
Right.
Finish out.
And have the clients told you anything that they're most excited about? You know, you've been working closely with the clients. What are they most excited about?
What they voiced to me that they're most excited about is the fact on the interior finish. Nobody was taking this job for them because they have a special kind of molding wall on the inside with case molding on it. And so a lot of people told them that they couldn't do that finish work for them. We're actually going to do the finish work with them and create and keep the same profile on it. So it's not going to look like a patch job. It looks like original.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for having us out, Malcolm. This was really cool to see this project, and we can't wait to see the final result. And if you want more home solutions, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel.
Well, we want you to have the look you love coming home to.